Hello students, good morning. I am N.K. Jha from APS. We are reading The Sniper. In very early class, we have understood some story from The Sniper. Between Republicans and Free Staters were waging civil war. And a Republican sniper lay watching on a rooftop near O'Connell Bridge. Beside him lay his rifle, and over his shoulders was slung a pair of field glasses. His face was the face of a student. The particular sniper looks like a student. He was thin, but his eyes had the cold gleam of a fanatic. They were deep and thoughtful, the eyes of a man who is used to looking at death. His eyes looks like fanatic, gleam of the fanatic. They were deep and thoughtful, the eyes of a man who is used to looking at death. उसके आँखों में डेथ को बहुत करीबी से देखा जा सकता था. This was the story in first class, in beginning class of The Sniper. Today we shall discuss more and more according to the chapter, and line by line we have to understand. He was eating a sandwich hungrily. What he was eating? He was eating sandwich. He had eaten nothing since morning. सुबह से कुछ भी नहीं उसने खाया था. He had been too excited to eat. He was too happy to eat. He finished the sandwich and taking a flask of whiskey from his pocket. After taking sandwich, he took a short draught. Then he returned the flask to his pocket. He paused for a moment and considering whether he should risk a smoke. It was dangerous. After taking whiskey, he began to think, I should risk a smoke. He wants to risk a smoke. It was so dangerous because the situation was not too favorable to him. The flash might be seen in the darkness. How was the condition? The condition of that night was too dark, and there were enemies watching. Maybe enemies were watching, and he decided to take the risk. And lastly, he decided to take the risk. Placing a cigarette between his lips, उसने अपने होठों में सिगरेट को जलाया. Inhaled the smoke hurriedly and put out the light. Put out means यहाँ बुझा देना. Almost immediately. फिर उसने मैच बॉक्स को जलाया. Inhaled the smoke. उसने स्मोकिंग करी. Hurriedly means quickly. And put out the light. और लाइट को फिर उसने क्या किया? बुझा दिया. A bullet flattened itself against the parapet of the roof. The sniper took another whip and put out the cigarette. At the same time, a bullet flattened itself against the parapet of the roof. रूफ के ऊपरी हिस्सा से बुलेट जो है सो चली, निकल गई. अपोजिट साइड से बुलेट आई थी। द स्नाइपर टुक अनदर व्हिप, स्नाइपर ने एक दूसरा सेकेंड टाइम स्मोक किया। एंड पुट आउट द सिगरेट, और उसके बाद सिगरेट को उसने बुझा दिया। देन ही swore softly and crawled away to the left। फिर उसने कसम खा रखी थी, और फिर सॉफ्टली मतलब धीरे धीरे आराम आराम से, एंड क्राउल्ड मीन्स रेंगते हुए, अवे टू द लेफ्ट। Cautiously he raised himself and peered over the parapet। There was a flash and a bullet whizzed over his head। He dropped immediately। जैसे ही उसने उठा, वह उठा और झांका कहाँ? ओवर द पैराफेट, पैराफेट के ऊपर। देयर वॉज अ फ्लैश, तो एक फ्लैश थी वहाँ पे। एंड अ बुलेट विज्ड ओवर हिज हेड, और एक बुलेट उस सर के ऊपर से निकल गई। ही ड्रॉप्ड इमीडिएटली, और जैसे ही उसने बुलेट का आवाज़ सुना, एज ही हियर द साउंड ऑफ द बुलेट, वर्ड ऑफ द बुलेट, ही ड्रॉप्ड इमीडिएटली, वह शीघ्र ही, जल्दी ही क्या हुआ? गिर गया। एंड ही हैड सीन द फ्लैश, he had already seen the flash। it came from the opposite side of the street। ये स्ट्रीट के दूसरे तरफ से आ रही थी। he rolled over the roof to a chimney stack in the rear and slowly drew himself up behind it until his eyes were level with the top of the parapet। there was nothing to be seen। उस जगह पे कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा था। पैराफेट के आसपास कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा था। जस्ट द डीम आउटलाइन ऑफ द अपोजिट हाउस टॉप अगेंस्ट द ब्लू स्काई। हिज एनिमी वॉज अंडर कवर्ड। मतलब उसके जो दुश्मन थे वो ऑलरेडी कवर्ड थे, और कुछ ज़्यादा हलचल दिखाई दे नहीं रहा था। जस्ट देन एन आर्मर्ड कार्ड केम अक्रॉस द ब्रिज। आर्मर्ड कार्ड is related here from bulletproof। came across the bridge and advanced slowly। ये आयरलैंड की कहानी है और डबलिन की है। खास करके डबलिन में ये ऑकरेंस ऑकर्ड हुआ था। drew himself up behind it until his eyes were level with the top of the parapet। there was nothing to be seen। कुछ भी दिखाई नहीं दे रहा था। just the dim outline of the opposite house top against the blue sky। his enemy was under cover। just then an armored car came across the bridge। ब्रिज के पास एक बुलेट प्रूफ कार आई। advanced slowly up the street। it stopped on the opposite side of the street। स्ट्रीट के ठीक अपोजिट साइड में क्या हुआ? वो कार रुक गई। 50 yards ahead। 50 yards is related here from 50 gauge maybe। the sniper could hear the dull panting of the motor। sniper could hear the dull panting of the motor। मोटर की आवाज़ सुनाई दे रही थी। his heart beat faster to hear the dull panting of the motor। it was an enemy car maybe। that was the thought of the sniper। it may be an enemy car। he wanted to fire but he knew it was useless। उसे पता था कि यह हमारा यूजलेस हो जाएगा। उसने फायर करना चाहा। his bullets would never pierce the steel that covered the grey monster। मतलब कि उसके बुलेट से जो है सो कभी भी पायर्स मतलब नहीं हो सकता है, स्टील में छेद नहीं हो सकता है। दैट कवर द ग्रे मॉन्स्टर, जो कि ग्रे कलर की है। देन राउंड द कॉर्नर ऑफ अ साइड स्ट्रीट केम एन ओल्ड मैन, हर हेड कवर्ड बाय अ टैटल्ड शॉल। टैटल्ड मीन्स फटा पुराना, चिथड़े। कॉर्नर के साइड से स्ट्रीट में एक औरत आ रही थी, आई, हर हेड कवर्ड, उसकी जो हेड है कवर्ड बाय अ टैटर्ड शॉल, किस चीज़ से ढकी हुई थी, फटे हुए शॉल से। शी बिगैन टू टॉक टू द मैन इन द टूरेट ऑफ द कार। वह जो है सो कार के टूरेट में जो है सो उस आदमी से बात करने लगी। शी वॉज पॉइंटिंग टू द रूफ वेयर द स्लैपर ले एंड इन्फॉर्मर द टूरेट ओपनड a man's head and soldiers. She began to talk to the man in turret to the car, और वह फिर बातें करने लगी उस आदमी से इन द टूरेट ऑफ द कार, कार के टूरेट में। एंड शी वॉज पॉइंटिंग टू द रूफ, और फिर वह जो है सो रूफ के तरफ इशारा करने लगी। वेयर द स्नाइपर ले, जहाँ पर स्नाइपर छुपा हुआ था, पड़ा हुआ था। So this is the story we have studied, but I want to tell you, you have to read the text again and again, because it will help you more and more to understand the real story of the sniper. So again and again I want to tell you, you will have to read it nicely, otherwise you can't understand the real theme of the story and the views of the author. So particularly whenever you will read the text, it will give you a lot of idea, it will give you a lot of knowledge, and through that you will able to understand how the story will be tackled and how you will be maintain that particular story. Because it begins with in long zone between Republicans and free staters, and which kind of condition is occurring and what was the situation of that night. Night was bright or darkness, and where the sniper lay, and how the sniper wants to attack on enemies. And this is the big challenge and big task, because it held in Dublin. This is the capital of Ireland. This is the capital city of Ireland. So you will have to read text again and again, otherwise you will be in problem in future. So have to read it nicely. Okay, thanks. In next class I will teach you page number 2, remaining part, and 3. Okay, thanks.